video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can boost your Instagram Reels basically, okay? Now, boosting your Instagram Reels can be, a hefty task because as we all know, Instagram is an app where, it's quite hard to get your content through. Now, let's say you're here, okay? And you have Reels, as me. As you can see, you have Reels over here. And to boost your Reels, first of all, have a professional profile, as so. Now, once you have a professional profile, you're going to make sure that your Reels are available on your profile grid. And once they're available on your profile grid, make sure to, manage the captions, add proper hashtags under them, and, ask your friends to spread it out, share the word and stuff. And that's how you're going to boost your Instagram Reels. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.